The hiccup. Asher. It is a time for English. Story, the Schneeuw. Asher, the hiker. The hiker went into a wood in the mountains, and at the end of the wood stood 3 trees. In the middle of these trees stood a pink elephant. The hiker saw the pink elephant and said, "What is it? What is it?" Ashla. And he stood in front of the elephant, and he wondered as saw the elephant. I am you, spoke the pink elephant. What? You are not me, said the hiker. You are me, said the elephant. Not, I am I, and I am a man with meat and blood, said the hiker. Who are you? asked the pink elephant. I am a man, and I am a hiker going to the horizon, said the hiker. Where you go there? asked the pink elephant. I am going to Liechtenstein, said the hiker. No, you go to hell, and you are bad, asked the pink elephant. I know your mind well. I am your soul, said the pink elephant. No, I am not bad, and you are not my soul. You are an elephant. You don't exist. You are nothing, spoke the hiker. I am a hiker, and my job is being a banker, and my business is within the field of a lawyer. I am a lawyer. The pink elephant said, "Hooray!" and transformed into a big bubble. The arrow came to fly and split this bubble. The hiker went now. This a business case. This a lot of money to Liechtenstein. Dies ist eine Geschichte, die ich einstmals vor Jahren im Rahmen des Schulunterrichts, des Englischunterrichts in der Schule geschrieben habe. Vielen Dank.